Hey guys, hello, I made the vlog. Yeah, you did. We just got out of stats. I didn't do an intro to the vlog. I'm gonna go get food and I have a break before econ and religion. So here we go. Oh, this is Katie, by the way.
Hi guys.
She was briefly in one of my other ones, you know.
Hi, this is Macy Thompson and she has an addiction to vlogging.
Kendall, this is the first time you've even been in it. We have to explain.
Okay.
I always film this Kendall, but it never ends up making the vlog because the vlog's always
Macy's
just like,
been vlogging me since high school, since the start of her channel, and I've never made the cut. So
since high school?
Literally since high school, you've filmed me previously. Like when I've seen you at work at Haunted.
Okay, you know what? Kendall gets mad because she
at games too. Remember at like games when I would be like warming up, you would film me, and then I never made the cut.
Okay, so let me explain. I always film Kendall, but then the vlog is just never good enough to post. So I'm gonna insert right here all the footage I have of you. Say hi to the vlog.
What up?
She's been a long time subscriber since like
fan.
4th grade. Kendall's going right here. Oh, and this is Olivia.
Wow. Me too.
Okay, we're in econ. Bye-bye. I feel awkward. So I'm all done with my 3 classes for the day. I had my like smaller stats class and then I had 2 of my bigger lecture halls. But in between the classes I went to the advising office, which I would definitely recommend. I have like all my classes set for next semester. I know like exactly what I'm taking. And I switched my major. Well, not like technically because I can't officially switch until I have like all the prereqs or whatever done. I was pre-marketing in the business school, but now I'm pre-advertising in the journalism school because math is just like not my thing and I don't really enjoy it at all, and advertising is just a little bit more what I want to do. So it's not that big of a difference, but I did change my major, or I did change my path so I could change my major. It's 5:30. I'm gonna go to like a Young Life training thing, work out, do some laundry, and we'll see what else. Finished my workout. I'm in the room for the night, but she's not. She's being spooky and going to a haunted house. Ooh. And she's way cooler than me. She's going to a haunted house on a school night. Like what's spookier than that? Just kidding. I totally would go, but I've just been telling myself that I'm gonna get my life together for too long. I'm gonna shower right now, but not wash my hair because I did that this morning. Then do some laundry and do all the homework that I've been putting off. Also going to Oregon at the end of this week. So I'm gonna be responsible and then finish my assignments that are due on Sunday tonight. Okay, I got out of the shower and I applied my self-tanner. You know how that goes. But I'm in my PJs and I have my backpack on because I'm gonna go do my laundry and I'll do homework while that's going. We'll probably go up to McKenna's room, but here we go. I'm hoping there's machines open because there's like never one's open or working. So here we go. Let's go do some laundry and homework. Amber, you're gonna be in it. Don't you watch them?
Yeah, but I don't like making video.
Okay. Well, I was just ranting to my vlog about how all the washers are always taken. And all of them are taken, but I came here right when Amber, sorry. I don't know why I said that. I just said Amber 2 seconds ago. I gotta prop this up. Okay. I was just ranting about how there's no washing machines ever available, but Amber was here right when I came down. Oh my gosh, I forgot my Tide Pods. Of course. I love college.
Just might as well.
Alright, here we go guys, I'm doing my laundry. I'm not having the best day, so I'm gonna go get my Tide Pods because I forgot them. And I literally told someone, I was like, I always forget my Tide Pods. I got my Tide Pods and I ran into a friend, so you know what? It's just a win-win situation. Wanna say hi to them?
Hi!
Shout yourself out.
I might be famous one day.
So, you heard it here.
You heard it here.
Yeah. Okay, I got my Tide Pods. Oh, here we go.
I think you're being too aggressive. I don't know.
No, I'm not. After it's selected, $1.25, that's right, sad. And now you come back. Is this good? Yeah, and we press start. So I'm at the Vegas airport right now on a layover going to Oregon to visit my friend Cassidy. You guys will see her. But I was gonna film like a cute travel montage and everything, but I have had the most stressful travel day I think possible. Well, it wasn't that bad. It was just like frustrating because my flight's delayed a lot and Cassidy is driving far to pick me up, so it's just complicated. But basically my first flight got delayed, so I wasn't gonna make my connecting flight, but they were able to put me on a flight from San Diego that was leaving in like 10 minutes. So I had to sprint through security while they were calling my name on the loudspeaker to board because they put me on the super last minute flight. And once I was on that flight, a lady passed out and fainted. So the whole flight was spent like taking care of that, and I was super stressed out because it was the row right behind me. I'm still landing in Oregon just a little bit later, and I'm gonna spend the weekend at Oregon State with my best friend Cassidy, and I'm staying in her sorority house, and I'm very excited. I just wanted to explain my travel day because it wouldn't be fair to insert just like a cute little montage because it wasn't cute, it was stressful, and I was sprinting. But yeah, on with the travel. So I just landed in Portland. Very long travel day, but you know what? It's over with. We're all good. Cassidy is here waiting to pick me up. I feel really bad because my flight was delayed an hour and her school is like an hour and a half from the airport, but you know what? She's a good friend and that's what they do. That's what you gotta do sometimes. I'm gonna go find her and I'm so excited to start this weekend. We stopped to get gas and I'm so blown away because in Oregon someone comes and pumps up your gas for you. Okay, now I'm nervous. It's like culture shock right now. What do? You just have to like tell them like...
You hand them your card and you say fill in regular please. Or whatever.
Can you ask them to do other stuff?
Yeah, they'll clean your windows. You're not allowed to take that.
Hey, tell me your premium. My first Oregon gas experience. I thought that Oregon ended this law. No. Really? I saw it on Twitter before.
I know, I saw that too, but no, it's illegal. I think in some counties.
It is illegal to fill your own gas here. All these Oregon people watching this are gonna be like, yeah. By the way, I left San Diego at what, 4? Now it's 11:41. Quite the travel day. So Cassidy went inside to go to the bathroom and I'm really scared the guy's gonna come back and I'm not gonna know what to do. What do I tell him? Like, stop. Like, I'm getting scared. This is just a whole new experience for me, but you know what? We learn something new every day. I kind of wish in California people pumped up my gas because I don't really like doing it. She's back.
I'm back.
I told the vlog I was really scared that like you left me with like something to do, like he was gonna come back and like have me do, like I just don't know. I thought I was gonna have to like complete the order or something.
I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna get gas earlier, but I wanted you to experience this with me.
Did you hear that? She wanted me to experience this with her. At a real life sorority house. Oh my gosh. I'm in a real life sorority house. Wait, I'm on her wall. I don't always look like that. That's a really good photo.
I know.
But now I look like this, so what are we gonna do about it? Okay, I made it here. I'm also right here. I'm also right here. And that's that. We'll give more tours tomorrow, but it's 1 AM, so good night, guys.
It is raining. Hello. Good morning. Have a good day.
I know, I'm trying to dock. Wait! Oh my god! You rolled out the window. I didn't even see that. Hey friends and good morning. Cassie, you have to say good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
I'm getting made fun of because every time I see fall leaves or a red tree, I videotape it, but we just got our coffee. Dutch Rose, Oregon. It's pretty
Burnt.
Yeah, I was gonna say pretty good. It's just like
It's not.
After you have so many vanilla lattes, there's only like so different they could be. And it just doesn't stand out or anything, you know?
It's the street.
Oh, I can't vlog then. But good morning, guys. Welcome to Friday. We're gonna go do homework. Can you give me a tour guide? Please. Walk backwards and give me a tour.
So if you look to your left, look to the left. That's the library. Really good. It's a really good cafe.
I'm gonna put my stuff away. Did well on my econ homework, if you were wondering. I was like, Cassidy, it's rain, and she's like, mm-hmm. Our juices.
When you bring me LA to 12 hours.
Sorry, I have to say hi to the vlog.
Hey.
And
Favorite color?
Your favorite color?
Yellow.
Wow. That's 2 kappas in the flesh. Wow. Hey guys, don't talk to us till we've had our coffee. When she makes you breakfast. So we came to the beach. The coast. Oregonians call it the coast. This is Maddie, by the way. She's been in like 2 of my vlogs because we're pals from good old high school.
Those high school days.
Oh my gosh. Cassidy, give me your best beach pose. Oh my god. That's so good. So, we thought it would be me and Cassidy, we thought it would be a good idea to still, you know, go in the ocean despite the pouring rain. We were planning on going to the hot springs, but they weren't open. So we ended up at the beach, and I was like, I still have to go in the ocean because you cannot go to the beach without going in the water. So we're absolutely freezing. Everyone is in full-on jackets and raincoats staring at us because, you know, see? I don't know. But we're going back to the car right now. So obviously it's the next day. I don't want to admit it because I just suck at vlogging this weekend. It's just like after we would go and do stuff in the morning, we were just like in her sorority house in the afternoon. I wasn't just gonna like whip it out and be like, oh my gosh.